Could everyone please join me in taking a deep breath in and letting it out? So, did it feel like you were in danger? What about when you wash your hands, or take a shower, hop into a hot tub, or turn on an AC? These are some of the everyday things that people like you and I were doing right before they died. The pathogen I work with is carried through the air in tiny droplets of water and into your lungs, where it can cause a massive and sometimes lethal infection. In fact, this pathogen is actually named after the 29 American Legionnaires, or military veterans, that it killed when it was first discovered. Legionella is a bacteria found in nearly every man-made water system, like the showers and sinks in your home. And it can cause a severe form of pneumonia, known as Legionnaires' disease. Now, typically, drinking water is treated with chlorine to make sure it is safe for us to use and consume. And generally, chlorine is effective against most bacteria. But Legionella seems to be an exception. The number of Legionella infections is quickly increasing in countries all around the world, including this one. And in places like the United States, Legionella is now the #1 cause of waterborne disease. So, researchers like me are looking for ways to stop this pathogen before it reaches you. My PhD focuses on the combination of silver and hydrogen peroxide, or silver peroxide. Now, both silver and hydrogen peroxide have been recognized as effective disinfectants for centuries. But it's only recently been found that combining them gives them synergistic killing power. I am trying to harness that synergism to see if I can stop Legionella from surviving in domestic water systems like the one in your home. To do this, I have built a household plumbing system in my lab, and I have deliberately contaminated it with Legionella. My plumbing system is designed to be like what you might have in your home. And my aim is to see if silver peroxide can effectively remove Legionella under these realistic conditions. Now, so far I've found that silver peroxide is effective against Legionella in test tube experiments in my lab, as well as against several other pathogens you might find in your drinking water. I've also found that silver peroxide lasts longer than chlorine in hot, warm, and cold water, and can provide long-term protection where it is used. So, if I continue to find that silver peroxide is effective against Legionella in my plumbing system, it will be a major leap forward in showing that this disinfectant should be used in our drinking water. Importantly, my PhD may help to combat a serious waterborne disease, protecting water consumers like you and I by leaving Legionella dead in the water. Thank you.